outside.
Okay, well, you just heard what Becky said. And hello, everybody. I'm at her house right now. This is actually my mini vacation. Usually I come here a few times a year over the weekend. This is Bodhi, and she's checking the Yamaha. And I'm here because I get fed really well. And anyway, this time I'm here to install this Yamaha and put it right in this little slot with this speaker. And I'm not going to show you what the TV is because now you see my t-shirt right at the reflection. Not anymore. I'm going back here. So, and Becky said that I need to take a video and say something about this cover, but I said that I can't beat my own drum. So tell Becky, you tell. Oh, that's Bodhi's making noise down there. So okay, Becky, you can tell me what you think about this cover. That's still Bodhi. That's still Bodhi making noise because he was pulling a picture frame off.
So everyone, this is a lovely piece of art work. I hope you can see the flex in it. The painting is beautiful. You need to just take a really close look at this. It is absolutely amazing. Well done. And I want to thank the person that did this for me. So if you're looking for a nice way of doing things with your amp.
Yeah, it's an amp. An integrated amp.
Like I'm not into all this really, but it's beautiful. So
you are into, as long as it sounds good, you don't care what it is. Well, you do care.
I like the sound.
You do care about the sound. It has to sound good.
Yes, and you've probably seen my others that I have. So.
Well, you have a funky.
Yes, and I love it.
So I'm not paying Becky. Actually, Becky's feeding me. So that's not a paid commercial.
No, but you need to really see it, look into it.
You do have to look into in person to really appreciate it. That one I can say. But for people that actually have experienced art, that's you already know that you have to see the actual things in person.
You need to see both sides. You need to see it in person. Did you get a picture of the other side too?
Yes, I did. And I also get a picture of Callie. And that. And that's all we want to say before it goes to that corner.
Beautiful.
Until next time, stay safe. Bye!